Hello, children. Will you count with me and Sam from 1 to 10? 1. Sam. Hello, Sam. 2 cats. 1, 2. 3 tractors. 1, 2, 3. 4 cakes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 horses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're doing so well. 7 cute dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. Ooh, 8 pandas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 planes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Excellent counting. 10 rabbits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. See you next time.